What?
This is a landmark law dahil DOE now will be given a lot of teeth to implement energy efficiency and conservation. Ngayon kasi pag sinabing energy efficiency and conservation, parang nakikiusap lang si DOE na, magpatay naman kayo ng aircon na maaga, magpatay kayo ng ilaw. No? Yeah. But now DOE will be given a lot of power to impose energy efficiency and conservation. And we're the only country here in Southeast Asia na wala nilang ganitong batas. So meaning, in simple terms, no, all of the, let's say, itong mga building na ito, meron silang standard kung anong dapat ilaw ang gamitin, anong dapat aircon ang gamitin, anong dapat mga devices ang gamitin para maging efficient.
Yeah.
So for example, if you're not using LED light, no, they can now impose penalties if you don't use LED light. So if you're not using for example, an energy efficiency device, no, for example, yung mga motion detectors, they can now impose penalties for you to comply. So meron kang, for example, itong building, meron siyang standard consumption, no? Pag hindi ka pumapasok dun sa standard consumption of electricity, they can impose penalties. No? And this is across the board, all industries, no? Manufacturing, commercial, residential, all of the different sectors here in our country. No? So what's important here is the power that we gave DOE, no? And that power should be used to impose penalties and to compel different industries to be more efficient.